In Terabox word editor, if you want to go ahead and add in links to the text as you like, you can simply go ahead and select it out right here and then click on the insert button over here on the top and then click on link. Once you do that, you can go ahead and type in the link that you want right here, http://www.wikipedia.org, let's say for instance right here, just like this. Or what you can also do is you can paste out the URL directly. If I were to click on confirm, now you can see that this text is clickable now. You can even go ahead and remove out the link right here or edit out the link as you want as well. And if I were to click on it, you can see that the respective page opens up just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and insert out link in the document, and you can even go ahead and edit it out as you like. Let's say, for example, let me just go ahead and search for an article in regarding computer over here in Wikipedia. So I can simply press Ctrl+C to copy out this link and go ahead and paste this out right here just like this as well. And click on confirm, and now you can see that it actually redirects to that particular link right here. If you want to remove the link, then you can simply go around and click and then click on remove link right here, or you can copy out the link so that you can paste it out as you want as well. So this is how you can go ahead and insert out links in document inside of Terabox. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.